We've woken up to a couple disasters, one of which is a leaky side of the RV, the other which is the slide in having trouble coming in, and the final one, the blender does not work. Luckily, we have man's strength to solve the blender issue. It's pretty good. I was getting there. That smoothie looks good. It looks like it has beans in it, man. Okay, so today we're going to Mount Shasta. Riker and Parker and I have wanted to go and hike it for a while, and it looks like today's finally the day that it's going to happen. There's a theory, or a fable, of an underground Lemurian city underneath Mount Shasta. This whole concept came from a book written 20 years ago by this lady, I forget her name, and basically she wrote a book called Messages from Tellus. Tellus is this underground city that exists under Mount Shasta where everybody lives in this utopian community, and it's these Lemurians that survived after like Atlantis sunk or something like that, and they've been living there for thousands of years and they're super developed, and occasionally they take in strangers into their underground city. I would absolutely love to explore it. It supposedly leads to the center of the earth. Really far-fetched stuff, and the whole kicker is that this lady wrote it through channeling, so she, you know, gets all hopped up in a trance and she channels somebody that lives underneath this mountain who speaks through her, and she writes these words. I don't know. Anyways, the internet is riddled with this stuff. So you get all kinds of weird stuff that comes up, and we're gonna go through it and we're gonna see if we can find the entrance to Tellus, I guess. Go on a quest to find Tellus. If we find Tellus, we'll see if we can film it and make a video about it. If not, that's pretty much what I expected, I guess, but it's worth a shot. Oh, the Lemurians are coming. The Lemurians are coming.
Howdy.
Morning, gentlemen.
Morning.
Check out was 11. Are you guys staying another day?
Oh, yeah, no, we'll head out right now.
Alright, no hurry, thanks.
Okay, cool, thanks.
No hurry, he said.
You heard it here, folks. Get the hell out of here. What is it, 11:01? Consensus is Parker and I both want to get the RV dealt with, which means finding an RV store, making sure the guy knows what to do, and then fixing it, which is going to take a while.
The way everything works so far is the sooner the better you get anywhere.
Yeah.
We've been having some troubles with the motorhome.
Right?
Right.
In which case, once we have that dealt with and like, okay, now it's being repaired, then we can go Shastify our lives, you know? We can get Shasty.
Free reign on life.
Yeah, we can get spiritual.
We need that RV fixed up.
Yeah.
So Reading is where we're going?
Let's do that. And then let's explore the town and...
Oh boy, well we better get going then.
Alright, so now we're at we are now at Gary's RV place. And the last guy we just talked to said, yeah, hopefully we can fix it. Hopefully. What a wonderful thing to hear. We did meet some sweet new friends though. What up, gentlemen?
This is Eric. This is Chris.
What's up, guys? Sent us an email, reached out, and like, I know all the secret spots.
That's right. So
that's awesome.
So Eric here has actually been to the city of Tellus, the Lemurian city, and he's come back from it.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah. So
Do speak more.
He's gonna be our guide tomorrow.
Sweet, well I'm stoked for our adventures the next coming days, man.
Yo, so here's the deal. We couldn't go to Mount Shasta today per se because we had to fix our RV in Reading. Having said that, we met some friends here that are going to take us to a natural water slide. And you know how much we love natural water slides.
We do, we love them.
Yeah, Chris! Let's do this in Eric! Woo!
Yeah, they weren't launched.
We literally just met two new friends today, Chris and Eric, and they're taking us to this slip and slide. That's like a locals only hotspot here in Northern California, Redding. Now I need to be a bit more careful, hold on. Now the thing is, we gotta go fast because we're running out of light, running out of sunlight, and glide.
So we finished up with the water slide. Now we're heading over to the hot springs. It's a really long drive on a dark and windy road.
As you can see, sometimes days just don't go the way as planned. Our RV broke down a little bit. We needed some repairs, and that's alright. Met some new friends that ended up taking us on an incredible adventure. So, if you want to see another one, click up here for the poll for tomorrow. What are we gonna do? I don't know. You decide.
Let is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you.
This is the bee's knees. We are at In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out. Look how excited, Josh. You excited, buddy? Look at this. Wow. I've never seen him do that before.
Thank you.
Oh my sweet glory. And